Hello my friend. In this video I tried to be very friendly, and as you can see I'm in my home and I want to tell you something honestly from my heart, and I want to help you to grow financially. I'm also young as you, and all of us wants to be independent financially, and definitely we tried so many ways to earn money through internet, to earn money by our phone, by our laptop, and there are so many websites, there are so many YouTubers. Unfortunately they advertise something scam, and we cannot trust them, and after wasting time we understand this is not working. So because of this I do my best to tell you some website, to tell you some way that how you can earn money through internet. So just subscribe me and like this video, and let's go further. The first website is Upwork and Fiverr. Both websites are the same, and for this website you need to register as a person who wants to do the project. It's easy, you can register it easily and you can get the project. This website, there are so many people that they are working as an employee and so many people as an employer. For example, I have one project for myself for running advertising in Amazon. I don't know how to do. I will come to the website and register as an employee, and you will come to the website and you do my project and you take money. This is easy and you can withdraw your money easily. If you reach to the top rated, you can earn till 20,000 till 30,000. I know some people that they are earning $100,000 per month from Upwork. So it's easy. Just search how you can earn money through Upwork in the YouTube or Google, and easily you will find so many websites. In the next videos, I will try to earn money through each website that I'm telling you from scratch, and I will tell you how you can get the review, how you can get the project from the Upwork, and how you can earn money. But first of all, you have to grow your ability. If you know about marketing, just go for having some idea about how you can run Facebook ads or how you can run Amazon ads. Just find the trendiest things through Google, through internet. In 6 months, grow your ability, grow your knowledge in this field, and make your panel in Fiverr and put some project that you did before and try to get some project. Or first you can run some advertising through Upwork for yourself and you can get the project easily. Next website is a YouTube. If you reach to 1,000 subscriber and if you reach to watch time 4,000 hours, you can earn money. Currently I don't know about its difficulties. Is it difficult or not? Because as you can see, I'm also trying to be monetized. At the end of the time that I reach to monetize, definitely I will record one video and I will tell you about my process, how I can monetize my account. But right now I cannot say anything. I just search through the internet and this is the information that I got from the internet. If you reach to 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch time, you can be monetized and you can earn money. And as I heard, based on your account, based on your channel, the amount of money that you will receive through YouTube will be different. But in average, I think it's around $4 to $5 per 1,000 views. But I knew so many people, like if you search Mr. Beats in the YouTube, you will see how many views he's receiving and how much money he's earning through the year. I think $300 million, something like this. I'm not sure about this. But this is also a good channel that you can earn money through it. If you're a camper, you can just start recording video about your camping, about how you can camp, and just share your video. And if you can share your face, it will be better. You can grow your channel faster. And if you don't want, it's no problem. There are so many channels that they do not share their face and easily they are earning money. It will be just investing through 1 year. As I heard, in average, in 1 year you can monetize your account and you can start earning money through YouTube. And YouTube, it's like a company. You have to show yourself to YouTube that you are regularly. For example, if you record a video for YouTube once a week, you tell to your company that I'm working once a week for you. If you work 3 times per week, you will tell to the company that I will work 3 times per week. So the YouTube algorithm also understand you are a good employer or not. Just consider in your mind if you want to focus in YouTube. And if you know something, for example, you are a designer and you know how to design through Photoshop or something else, there are so many applications right now about the design. Just try to record a video how to, for example, design, how to do like this. I don't know about the Photoshop, but there are so many tips for the Photoshop. You can easily record a video about your skill and share it in YouTube, and you can be hopeful that you will be monetized, and definitely you will be monetized if you are insisting in something. Okay, let's go to the third website, Amazon. Definitely you heard about it, and I don't want to tell you to create one account to sell in through Amazon. This is a good idea. I will tell you in the next videos how you can have your account and how you can put the product there, how you can sell it, because currently I'm working in Amazon also. But here in this video I don't want to tell you this. The first channel that you can earn money, it's Amazon Mechanical Turk. I don't know about the pronunciation, do not laugh if it's wrong, but I write it here, just Amazon Mechanical Turk. If you know about some language, for example, you know about Spanish, you know about Italian, English, whatever, you can just make a subtitle for one song, for one movie, or so many things, and you can earn money. There are some projects there, they will tell you just make subtitle for this, create subtitle for this song, this video, and they will give you money. You can earn money daily around, for example, $50, $100 if you are working regularly through this website. Just check this website how you can earn it, and I tell you again in the next videos we will go by details through each of which website. Let me tell you something honestly, you know, everyone these days, they are telling us you have to enjoy your life. Definitely. I'm not telling you you should not enjoy your life and you have to working hard, not at all. You have to have a plan for yourself. We have 24 hours per day, 8 hours we will sleep, 8 hours we will work, and the rest of it we can enjoy our life. For example, 2 hours for watching video, 2 hours to going outside for our girlfriend or our boyfriend, and we can do everything. Do not lie to yourself that I don't have time. No, 24 hours we have time and we can do everything in hours. Just decrease the amount of time that you are spending in the Instagram, the social media. Every day we are scrolling everything that is not beneficial for us. We will not receive any profit through it. So we have to use it in a right way. That's it. The next channel for earning money through Amazon is Amazon Kindle Publishing. But through this website, you can earn money from Amazon by publishing a book. For example, you're a writer, you can publish your book there, and so many people can see your books and you can earn money through this. I know some people that they are earning $50,000 per month through this website. So it's not far from our mind. Just search about this website and you will understand how you can earn by this kind of website. The third channel from Amazon that you can earn money, it's Amazon Associate Program. It's affiliate program of Amazon. For example, there are so many products in Amazon. If you have one channel, for example, you have Instagram channel, you have website, and you can share some link there. For example, I have one Instagram channel with 20,000 subscribers. And so easily I can share some about the product. I can introduce a product to my followers and I can tell them, if you want, you can buy through the link. So they can go to the website and buy through the link. It will be easy. And you can earn money as a commission. Amazon will give you money and easily you can withdraw it. There are so many influencers all over the world. Their job is only selling through Amazon. Fourth website that I want to tell you, it's ClickBank. There are some websites like ClickBank, but ClickBank is the most famous one, and easily you can search how I can earn money through affiliate. ClickBank is very famous and it has so many visitors daily and very trusty website. And you know, this kind of website that I'm telling you in this video, all of them are trusty and you can trust them, and it's proved. I know someone that's working through this website and they are earning, so I trust them 100% and they are not scam. ClickBank is like Amazon affiliate program that I tell you, but they are giving you more percentage and also more ability to sell. For example, it's not about Amazon. So many companies all over the world can register there, and you can also register as an affiliator and you can sell their product to to your community and earn money easily. Fifth website is Flippa. I don't know about the pronunciation of this website also, but this is a very interesting website. You only need to register there, and after that you can buy some business and sell it. This is very easy. If you have knowledge, for example, I have knowledge about Shopify, so I can buy one website that currently working in the Shopify. They have a product there like a drop shipping, and I can buy it and I can change some feature of this website. Or if you don't want to change, okay, you can increase the price. For example, you bought it $1,000, you will increase it to 1,100, and you will sell it, so you will earn $100. Or you can improve it and increase the price more. Or there is one YouTube channel, you can buy it, you can grow it, and you can sell it. There are so many, like a domain, for example. I can see one domain, it's a good name, I can buy it, and after that I can sell it. It's easy. So this platform is for businesses, that you can buy one business and sell it easily through the platform. The next one is ShutterStock. This is a website that is useful for photographers. For example, you are a photographer, you will go outside and you will take some photos about natural sceneries or about weddings, so many things. And you can create your profile there and put your pictures. People can buy your pictures and you can earn money. There are so many people there and they spend money, they will buy your photography, and it will be like a gallery for yourself, and you can earn a lot of money if you are a photographer. Next one, it's take lessons. If you know something, if you have ability, if you have a skill, for example, I have a skill for English language, or I have a skill about dropshipping, so I can just tell to people that I can teach you, for example, PLC, I can teach you Delta, Siemens, so many things. And people can ask me if somebody wants to learn about Photoshop, somebody learn about PLC, they can come to me and I can teach them and I will earn money. Next, this is Squid Help. I don't know about the pronunciation again, but I write the name here also. This is a website that's, for example, you're a designer and you can create some logos. You are a creative person and you can write a name, just only easily name in your panel, create logo. So people can, some businesses will come to the website. You know, this kind of website that I'm telling you, they have so many visitors. For example, 3 million visitors per month. So many people will come to your panel and they can see your logo, they can see the name that you mentioned, and they want to launch their business. So they will buy your logo and name, and they will buy the license of the logo. So you will earn money through your designing. If you're a designer, this is the best platform. This will be a best website for you to earn money. Ninth, this is Adfoc. If you want to earn money by watching a video, this is a good website for you. For example, this video that I'm recording, you don't want to be a creator of video, you don't want to have a YouTube channel, just copy my video link through the share in the YouTube or any other video, not only this video. You like one video, you will go to this website and easily paste it here, and that's it. If people see the video through the link, you will earn money. For example, you have a LinkedIn channel, you have Instagram channel, just share the video through this link, so you will earn money easily by this technique. But as I told you, you need to have ability, you need to have community. If you have ability, you can grow your community. This is related to each other. The most important one that these days so many people are talking about it, it's playlist push. This is a website that you can earn money by listening to the music. Yes, you hear right. This is a good website. You only need to go to the website and register as a creator. The only difficult part of this website is to have a 400 subscriber in your Spotify. In the next videos, I told you I will create one video about how you can earn money through each of which, and I will tell you how you can grow your subscriber. Or if you don't want to wait, you can easily search through YouTube how you can reach 400 subscriber through the Spotify account. And after that, you will create one playlist in your Spotify by every song, whatever songs you like it. After that, share your Spotify list in this website in playlist push and hear the song. Just listen to the music. Just share to the people to listen to the music of your playlist, and you will earn money. For each playing, you will earn around $12. So I don't want to bother you. We reached the end of the video, but as I told you in the first video, now buy one notebook for yourself, valuable notebook, and try to write your goal. For example, I want to reach to $500,000 through 3 years, next 3 years. What I have to do? For example, I'm a designer. Okay, I will focus on each problem in designing, and I will try to earn through this kind of website. You have to choose one website and focus in one. Do not go for all of them. Just focus in one. You have to have eager about your job. For example, I like creating video. I just spend time for YouTube. Or you like listening to the music. Okay, you will be successful if you go through this way and you try to open one Spotify channel and try to grow your channel and reach to the 400 subscriber, and after that go to the website of playlist push and earn money. Or as I told you in Upwork, for example, you're a marketing manager, you know about marketing, you know about how to run advertising. Just increase your knowledge within 6 months, grow your channel, create your Upwork channel or Fiverr, and start earning money. Just subscribe me if you like this video. I will promise you I will create video for each of which, and we will earn money by ourselves through these websites. Have a good day.